The dash speaker is located under the front center and vent plate on the dash, indicated by the red arrow. You are going to be prying the plate out from the dash, and the dash is very expensive, so do yourself a favor and get a good set of trim removal tools. We used the Schwab trim removal kit with great success. Starting at the front, use a trim removal tool and gently lift the plate up from the dash. It is held in place by a series of clips. I used 2 trim removal tools and worked my way around. With the plate free, you can see the location and type of clips holding it in place, red and blue arrows. There is a locating peg on the rear, red arrow, and a series of clips that you will need to lift up from the dash. You can leave the clock connected if so equipped and just turn the plate to the side or separate the connection indicated by the blue arrow. Use AT20 torque and remove the 3 screws indicated by the red arrows. If the speaker has not been removed before, there will be a little adhesive on the back, red arrow. Lift the speaker up and squeeze in on the 2 tabs on the wiring connection, blue arrows, and separate the connection. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.